This will be an unboxing video of the Novoglan non-surgical phimosis treatment, also known as a foreskin tissue expander for the management of phimosis, foreskin that couldn't be pulled back in the male. Now, before you invest in this device, which can be costly, you probably want to know what's inside. So let's open this up. Now, full disclosure, Novoglan did send me this, as I'm a urologist. They did send me this device to evaluate, but they have no editorial input regarding what I say in this video, nor do they have any input regarding what I finally put out. So first, let's open this. And see what's inside. Looks like you have the treatment process, a QR code for you to scan, probably a video that will show you how to use the device. Some instructions right here, and also instructions for use in multiple languages like German, Italian, Portuguese, etc. And this is what comes in the kit. First, let's open this thing. This is also known as the bulb, tube, and this thing is called a stopcock. Then you have the Novoglan device itself. Let's open this up. Empty the contents. This is the meat of the device. Let's put this aside for a second. What you are getting here, these are 3 Novo inflator balloons. A Novo inflator balloon is already attached to, this is called the device body. There's a spacer right here. This is called the guide rod. There are actually 2 O-rings right here. Let me show you. This is a Novo inflator balloon that's already attached to the device body with the guide rod and a spacer installed. So this is what you use to insert under the foreskin for the dilation. Let me show you in more detail. These are spare Novo inflator balloons. There are 2 O-rings helping you to hold on to the balloon onto the device body. The guide rod comes out, and you would insert the stopcock into the device body. But by pressing the bulb, you would inflate the balloon here, just like that. You can now release the bulb, and the air would stay inside. To keep that air in there, you would turn the stopcock perpendicular to this direction. Then you can hold on to the stopcock, rotate this tube. This is called a lure lock. You would rotate it counterclockwise, freeing up the bulb and the tube, leaving this in place. This is what stays under the foreskin to help with expansion of the phimotic ring. Okay. To release, you would turn that in line with the lure lock here. Air would escape out from the balloon. Now let's disconnect this and take this out. These here are silicone, medical grade silicone apparently. Now they do include 8 latex balloons if you want to use latex balloons. And then these are alcohol swabs, 28 swabs per box. You would use this to clean the Novoglan inflator balloon before insertion under the foreskin. So these are swabs, and these are Q-tips, cotton tips. 28 swabs in each bag. So you got 28 swabs, 28 tips for cleaning before you use the Novoglan device. Once again, the main actors are the bulb, the tube, the stopcock, and the Novo inflator balloon, 2 O-rings, the device body, the guide rod, and a spacer. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. To find where you can purchase this product, I will leave the link in the video description. Take care.